Good morning. I want to believe that we are making steady progress with our study of this textbook. If not, I want to really implore us again because this is a very helpful book. We designed the table for analyzing poetry sometime in one of our classes, and Wesley were able to apply it to a different poem again in the last class. You can ask him to send you the link if you need it. Now, to progress, I want us to design something similar for prose. And I'm making this video so that we can save time and focus on an activity in class. So I'm just going to rush through some of the important elements that you should analyze in prose that they've actually put on like a table for you in here. I'll try and combine them into one infographic, one that we can apply very easily in class. So I'm just going to scroll to this page. Bear with me, please. Okay, yeah. Now, so this is someone's plan and one way to approach your passage question in prose. You can begin with the situation, a brief description of what's happening at that point in the story, maybe what preceded it and what's happening at that point. Then move on to the characters. Focus on whoever is involved at that point in the extract, and in doing so, of course, you would have to analyze sensory description, use of sight, sound, and hearing, and so on and so forth, exclamations, rhetorical questions, and basically every other figurative element and diction also. They will all come under here. So while describing the characters, of course, you'll be showing how these things contribute to the portrayal of that character. Then you move on to the novelist's concerns. This just means, generally themes and other such related matters. So what is the writer, trying to convey? What ideas, what thoughts, what feelings, what attitudes, what themes, what bigger issues of life are being conveyed or explored in that extract. Then you move on to the narrator's position. What they mean by that is point of view, basically. Third person, first person. Does he appear like the character is having an epiphany, right? So what's the point of view that the extract is written from? And then we can now relate the extract to the entire novel, right? How does it build on themes? How does it build on other plot elements? How does it relate to the text as a whole, basically? So this is one way to plan your essay, and by doing this, you would have touched most of the important elements in the passage. A more detailed method is somewhere down here. I'm going to scroll down to it. Give me a minute. As you can see, the title here now is Close Analysis, so it's a bit more detailed than what I just showed you. And this is it. Activity 25.6. So again, you have the situation and subject. Textual, some situate the passage in the novel as a whole. Then diction and figures of speech follows that in a different paragraph. Symbolism, of course, if it's a novel that's known to to contain a lot of symbols, like Howard's End, for example, you can devote a whole paragraph to symbolism. Narrative position, again, is it third person omniscience, is there past tense, and so on and so forth. Then what's the structure? Does it tell a straightforward story, or is it a non-linear plot structure? Then tone and atmosphere, of course. Then finally themes, as a way of bringing everything together to show what meanings they create, what big issues are being explored, right? So this gives you a more detailed plan that of course you can apply in conjunction with the one I just showed you, right? So I'm going to try and okay now there's one more I want to show you now. They focus on sentence structure here in more detail, and all of these things are things that you can consider when analyzing sentence structure, and they are all extremely important. Right. So they give you examples, or sorry, the features, examples from the passage, and then their effects. So I advise you to actually go through this again just to see how you can apply it in your own essays. So I'm going to try and put all of this together into one infographic, one table that we can use in class, for our own purposes, and we can apply from now on for whatever prose text we are analyzing. This is about comparisons. I'm not sure any of you will compare, but just in case it's there, they show you what to do, how to do it effectively. So I'll keep showing you how useful this book is, and I hope that you maximize the use of it. Thank you.